Hello, friends, and welcome to Tour Mangaluru. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on the latest videos. This is our 148th video. And this video is from Natekal to Montepadavu via Manjanady. We start a journey along the Thokkottu Mangalore University road, and then we take a right turn near the Natekal Circle, and then we proceed straight ahead. If you take a right, the road going towards the right will take you towards KC road. We proceed towards along the Natekal-Manjanady road. I would like to wish all my viewers a happy Eid ul Fitr. And on this occasion, Tour Mangaluru has successfully reached a milestone of 700 subscribers. Thank you all for your support. This area is mostly residential and kind of rural. After all, it comes, I believe it comes in a Gram Panchayat area. But the road is well laid. And I don't suppose you see much thoroughfare on this side of the road. There are buses which pass through here though. There's a winding part of the road. There are a couple of bends over here. It's fun to ride, somewhere around 7 o'clock in the morning. Although I was going around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. As you can see where the sun is, for the bright light. This route goes through, it's a funny thing. This road has got many golis. It's like the place there are this Daigoli, Thodugoli, and many different names over here. Though I do not know exactly where precisely those places come. There are many landmarks along this route. I do believe the road was recently developed. There's a mosque over here. The area name is Kalkatta, and it sounds like Kalkatta or Kolkata, but it's got nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with West Bengal, I suppose. And this is the Kalkatta area. The bus stand on the right hand side. Just a little bit of commercial area, to which it is like not just the road and trees. I don't think there much farming land also this side. Might be coconut groves. Now towards the left, we're coming on Vishnumurti Janardana Devasthana. I wish I had a faster bike. Could have overtaken and gone quite faster. But given the bike that I have to maintain a decent speed of 50 to 60. there isn't really much to say about this area. Though I believe it's now seeing development, but still it's like very sparsely populated. And here we are coming on Manjanady area. This is Manjanady. And towards the left over there is Manjanady Gram Panchayat. I do believe they even call this Partapadi. That building towards the left is Partapadi complex. So I presume it is Partapadi also. But generally speaking, according to Google Maps, it's Manjanady area. I think there's a city bus which comes till here. I'm not sure. Must be some 42 number or something. But there are many express buses which go this side. This is another bus. It goes from this way to Mudipu, from where you can also go to BC Road. But that will be in another video. That house there, I don't know if it's a school or a house, but it's nicely, it's got a very nice landscape area over there. And they've let lawn on that slope. And then this is a fun road to ride, especially because nowadays, well tarmacked. It's good to go. No bumps, and you can see that from the video. It's smooth. I believe there's a darg on the right hand side over there. And now we're reaching on to Thodugoli, I believe. Yeah. Thodugoli, yeah. Naringana. I don't know, must be a part of Thodugoli. Once again, thank you all for subscribing and giving your love and support for the channel. I hope we'll soon reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Bukhari Nagar. That's the first time I've come across that name. There's a masjid over there on the right hand side. But otherwise, this road, there isn't much people passing by over here. It's probably because I was riding somewhere in the afternoon. Nobody's coming out in the afternoon. And, this heat. This is the straight stretch on this road. If you had something like a 200cc bike or something, you can zip over here. It's a newly laid road also. As you can see, there are very few stores, even houses for that matter. They must be far apart. We are reaching on Montepadavu. This is Montepadavu area. After which you'll get there's another Monthugoli or something. Yeah, Monthugoli later, which will be in the next video. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of the next video.